Hello Wranglers! This is Ms. Schmidt, and in this video, we're going to show you how to access online resources on Boundless and how to sign up for your free public library e-card. Thanksgiving and winter break are just around the corner. If you're wondering how to gain access to thousands of ebooks, magazines, audiobooks, and research databases from the comfort of your own home, then hang tight and we'll show you how. First, a reminder that if you have not already bookmarked the homepage for WCTA's Library Resource Center, you can find that through our school's main webpage. From WCTA's website, under the Students tab, choose the library. Besides being able to search through Destiny Discover, which is how you've all been taught during freshman orientation, let me show you a few other resources. In addition to Destiny Discover, which the link for it is in the bottom left, if you navigate to the WCTA Research button, you will see other offerings. Under Databases, Other, you will find the button for Boundless, which lets you search and check out ebooks and audiobooks from the public library without a library card. To gain access, all you need is your Destiny login or to be signed in to your Clever account. Once you're in, you can browse through thousands of titles and check them out similar to how you would with Destiny. But wait, there's more. Did you know that having a free e-card from the Las Vegas Clark County Library District gives you access to over 50 databases as well as ebooks, online newspapers, and magazines? If you don't already have a public library card, let me show you how to sign up. It's easy. Under Databases Other, you will find the Las Vegas Clark County Library District button, or you can go to www.lvccld.org. From there, click on the banner that says Get your free instant e-card. First, select a language. Then select yourself, unless you are not yet 14. In that case, your parent will need to register for you. After reading the Terms of Use agreement, accept. The final step is to fill out the Instant e-card application. Do note that if you already have a library card, or if your library card is expired, you will need to contact ask@thelibrarydistrict.org. Once you submit, within minutes, you will receive an email with your library card number and PIN to use for signing in. So to recap, in this video, we've shown you how to access Boundless, which allows you to search and check out ebooks and audiobooks from the public library without a library card. And if you'd like to access even more resources and databases, sign up for your Lvccld Public Library Instant e-card. If you run across any issues or would like assistance, please reach out to Mr. Brain or Ms. Tilton from the Sahara West branch, or you can email ask@thelibrarydistrict.org. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck and happy reading. This is Ms. Schmidt signing off for the WCTA Library Resource Center. Thanks for watching.